In Crestron's Home OS, there's such a thing called the media macro. What is it? Well, we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to show you how you can create one, you guessed it, in under 1 minute. So the media macro, what is it? Well, it's kind of like if you want to watch Apple TV in your great room, or maybe you want to turn on Sonos in the kitchen. That's all those things are what Crestron considers to be a macro, right? You're commanding the system to do several different things, to turn on amplifiers or turn on surround receivers and televisions and set them to the right input. Once we have all of these great scenes that we've created in a media macro, we can schedule things to happen automatically. There's a video on that, check that out. Back to the media macro. All right, as we've talked about in the other videos, there's two apps. The Crestron Home app, that's your daily driver. Then there's some other things that have to be done in the Crestron Home Setup app. We're going to use that app here. So we can see we have the two apps on this page. Let's click into the Home Setup app and begin. This isn't going to be under one of the different light shades or even media, which you think it might be under media. This is going to be getting into that configuration. So you're going to hit Settings, and then you're going to hit Configure System. This is, again, one more time about that advanced user. Some things we want to protect from users getting into. So your installer should have set up the advanced user username and password. The username, advanced user, all one word, all lowercase. Your password, well, you should have a good password. We've seen in this video series, I'm just using password. It's only for testing. You don't want to use that. You want to use a strong password. Please change your password. We go in and we have the first thing on the left, Setup Scenes. So we're going to click on Setup Scenes. We're going to go over to Configure Media Scenes, and we'll do it under the whole house. Let's just call that Test and hit the wrench to set it up. We're going to change the name of it because Test isn't going to work well. So what I want to do is I want to select Apple TV in the media room and save, and we need to give it a better name, so that'll be Apple TV Media Room. There you go. I want to create another. I mean, I think that was less than a minute. You can check the time, but I really think that was less than a minute. Let's just hit another one. So let's do Sonos. And I think we have one in the warehouse. So let's go there and hit the wrench. And we'll do Sonos. In the warehouse, you know what? Let's select a certain channel. Let's not just turn it on. Let's say, ooh, 80s on 8. I mean, I'm about 50, so like the 80s, that's like my generation, right? So let's do 80s on 8. All right, save. I think I might have got 2 created in under a minute. I don't know. We'll check the time later. But that's about it. We're going to go back out, and we've got our media macros created. You're not going to see them anywhere here because they're not going to show up under media. You already have the ability to start Apple TV or start Sonos or watch cable. What we've done is just prepping for our scheduling some activities later on, and you can check out that video, as I said earlier, here, and you can see just how powerful Home OS can be for you, the end user, to really create some cool customizations for your home. That's like all I have for this video. You guys really check out the other one on scheduling. If you found this interesting, please give us a thumbs up or a like. If maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. And if you'd like help with any of your projects, you can reach us at our contact information below. Reach out to us. We're happy to talk to you about your project and see if we can help you in any way. Thank you again for watching the video.